how to search filters on Instagram. So if you want to search filters on Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with the plus button, which will be in the top left. And I'll just simply go with the story section. After that, just simply take a picture. And once you've taken, you need to swipe left. After swiping, you will find a lot of filters right here. You can go and select any filter that you're comfortable with, or you can also just simply go with the drop down right here. Tap on the drop down and then go with the effects option. Tap on effects and then go and select any effect that you're comfortable with. Go and apply it, and that's it. In this way, you'll be able to add filters, or if you want to go and search filters, then you can go with the option right here. Just tap on this bar and you will get the search option, or just simply swipe left or right in order to add those filters. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.